Since I've purchased some of this elastic kayak line, my tiller and tiller extension have this groove and hole and groove here, which I don't know for certain, but I suspect is meant to have a loop here to keep that in place. This elastic line is too big to go through that hole twice. I suspect I'm supposed to loop around here and then go around there and tie it on the bottom, something like that. I'm just going to loop it like this and then tie it on the bottom, and that way you can unloop the extension if you want to, or if you want to put it back in, you pop it in there and it'll keep it. Bonus here is this piece here will keep that extension from rubbing on the tiller. So even if it's not the way it's supposed to be, it will probably function well enough